open the pineal, you got to see where you at. Because let's say too much energy in the root chakra, you're a hermit, your house is probably meticulous, you can't leave it, your car is meticulous, you're probably like Hitler with your kids, you're a disciplinarian, it's all about your house. Your house is so perfect, nobody could spill a drop anywhere, and no one's smoking in your car, blah, 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 blah. If you got too much energy there, how are you going to deal with anything spiritually? Mm-hmm. So you can't open the pineal if you're fucking, or if your root chakra is underbalanced, your house is in disarray, your job probably ain't shit, your kids ain't shit, the fridge is empty, your house is dirty. We can go on a long list of everything that you sit in is probably in disarray. Your clothes ain't shit, you're sloppy, your breath stink.